shit!
On May 11th, 2022, officers responded to an altercation where a male had punched a female and was attempting to restrain her. Here's what transpired when the police arrived.
Hi there. Is everybody okay? Were you guys involved with a fight?
Yeah, I was.
Yes.
Alright, who's on where?
Okay, so basically what happened, there's this girl, she was in like a black t-shirt in the elevator, and this guy was trying to like...
Step up.
And so the guy there in the UC sweatshirt and such was trying to basically...
Black sweatshirt, red.
Yeah.
Okay, what was he doing?
He was like trying to grab her. A guy was leaving, he was trying to grab her, she was yelling, she was unhappy, she was like, she said, help me, help me, help me. And so I went over and I butted in, I was like, don't touch her, what do you think you're doing? Get away from her. And then he just...
I have a feeling you guys aren't supposed to be in there.
He just came on to me and basically was like, what are you gonna do about it? He was like, what are you gonna do about it? And then he came on and hit me. He was hitting me, took me to the ground. I bit his hand so he would get off, and he got off of me.
Whose hand did you bite, sorry?
His hand.
So he assaulted you?
He assaulted me as well. He assaulted her and he assaulted me.
I need to talk to you, man. You need to come with me for a second. Okay? Can you keep your hands in your pockets for me? 311, I'm gonna have one detained. You wanna tell me what happened? You wanna tell me what happened? You gonna talk? Come on, let's go sit over here. You are not free to go, sir. You are not free to go.
The other girl, he was punching her as well.
Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down now! Hands on. Send some more officers. Sir, get down! Get down! Get your hands behind. Get your hands behind your back right now. Get your hands behind your back. I got his arm pinned. All right. Hey, man! I got you. Let me get this other couple on. Hey, lay down now. Lay down now. Give me your hand. Put your hand behind your back. All right, yep.
Yeah.
All right, can we sit you up? It's either voices or... Can we sit you up? Both of us can do that. Hey, you're tough. You're not going anywhere.
Tell me a little bit more about what happened, okay?
I was in the elevator. I live on floor 5, and I was going down the elevator because I was going to go back out after changing. And he was in the elevator with his friend, and I go, like, I have the same body as you, like, trying to be nice, because, like, why not say that to someone? And then he grabbed onto the back of me and my shirt and like kept pulling me back. He was like, no, you're coming to floor 3 with me. You're coming to floor 3 with me. Okay. And then I was like, get off of me. Get off of me. Please get off of me. And then he punched me in the face like my leg.
I see.
Who does that to someone?
I completely agree.
Okay. Yeah? Stay tight? Yeah. Okay.
No?
All right.
Hey, mama, behind you.
Okay. I'm gonna stand up. We're gonna go inside. All right? You understand what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna stay here now. We're gonna stay here then. All right, but hey, whenever you're ready to listen, we're gonna stand up. We're gonna go sit down, and we're gonna talk.
Do you have any weapons on you? I'm asking, do you have any weapons on you?
I keep it smashing.
That's right. Don't argue with it.
Blessing.
All right, let's get him down.
About arresting.
Who's close down here? Stand up.
Look, just start walking. We'll get the car.
Oh, y'all bitches asked me this too. Hey, look. Hold on, Lord.
What's your name?
Stop.
What's your name? Jason Nixon? All right, I'm Officer Fry.
Did he hit you anywhere else? Did he only hit you the one time?
I mean, he slapped me in the head and then kept going for my face, and then he finally stood back and then went in for a full For a whole punch, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Do you need me to call the medic for you? Do you
No.
like to be checked out?
No.
Do you want to go to the hospital at all?
No.
Okay.
No.
Do you know her? Did you see what happened?
Yes. I butted in. That was me.
Okay. Are you the one who called then for us? Wonderful. Okay, I'm gonna have you fill out a witness statement. I might know the answer to this question, but I'm gonna ask it to you anyway. Do you want to press charges?
Against him? Mm-hmm. Yeah, him.
Okay. Like I said, I figured I knew the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway just to clarify. Okay. If you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, if you could sit on that corner for me over there. I'm going to get you a piece of paper to kind of write down your experience for me, okay? And then I'm going to get her.
Oh my God!
Are you okay? In the elevator?
Yeah.
Okay, and who are you?
I'm her roommate. Oh, she's my roommate. She's my friend. She's my friend. Yeah.
The male was soon transferred to jail for further processing.
What's your name again? Chris. All right. Chris Campbell, you're under arrest right now for fleeing. All right. We're going to try to talk, and we're going to search you before we put you in the back of the car. Okay. Do you understand that? Yes, sir. Well, then we'll read you your rights, okay? Yeah. All right. My partner here is going to search you, okay? Do not move. Do not try to run. Spread out your legs a little bit. Again, do you have anything on your person? Any weapons or anything that's going to poke me? No. These are only suspect, I believe. I don't know what the story is.
So was it just you and this other young lady that were in the elevator?
No, she wasn't in the elevator. It was him and his friend that were in the elevator, and then I got in there alone with them. So I wasn't with anyone, and then we got to the ground floor, and that's when she saw me and him like pulling me back, and she was like, "Get off of her, get off of her."
Okay.
And then he just like went.
Hey, stop that! Hey, stop! Now!
No!
Stop! You stop! No! Knock it off! Knock it! Calm down!
What? Shoot me.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Against the window.
Hey, you try to bite me again, I'm going to add charges. You're going to go away for a long ass time. Get in the car. Watch your leg.
No. Do it.
Here's what the witness shared with the police.
What happened from when you first walked in the door? When I first walked in the door, I saw this one guy. There were two guys at the elevator, and there was the girl with the tie-dyed shirt, with the black shirt in there. And there was yelling, and then the first guy left, walked out, and then she was in there, and this guy was like grabbing her, pulling on her, and she was yelling. She was like, no. She looked at me, and she went, help me. And he pushed her into the elevator, and he started hitting her, like punching her, like literally. You saw him punch her? Yes, I saw him punch her. How many times did you see him hit her? Like two or three times. Like there was one in the lip, there was one in the head, like grabbing, trying to get her like to squint, you know? And then I was like, to quote, I was like, don't touch her, get the off of her, what the do you think you're doing? And he looked towards me, and he went like, what the do you think you're going to do about it? And he started walking towards me, and that's when he hit me in the head. He hit you as well? He hit me multiple times as well. Okay. He hit me in the head. I got it like an elbow or something. He grabbed me. I tried hitting, just elbowing, hitting. He got me to the ground. He was grabbing my face, and at that point I bit his hand. Like, you bit his hand? I bit his hand. Do you know if he broke skin by any chance? I think, yes, because there was blood in my mouth.
Buddy, you're making this worse.
Do it. Do it. I'm not playing with you. Do it. Nope. No, wait. Come on. LeBron James. Stop it. LeBron James. You tried to. LeBron James.
Okay. And he said, okay, stop. And so I like let up a bit because I thought he was gonna chill, but he did not. He kept going. On you or her? On me. Okay. At this point, she had went up. The elevator
So you're
had
not
closed.
just a witness to this, you're actually a victim in this as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
At this point,
You're okay, take a deep breath.
At this point, the elevator elevator had closed and she was going away. She was not in the scene after that. I was yelling for the RA. The RA took a couple minutes to come around, and then he was off of me just standing.
Sorry. You're okay.
So gross. Okay.
That's okay. Take a deep breath. Just chill. You're alright. Sorry, I say just chill, but
No, I
just
understand.
take a deep
I
breath.
understand.
You're alright. Take your time.
Yes. And he was just standing there, and he started to try to fight the RA as well for a bit, but the RA was able to like get him to calm down.
Okay.
And at this point, there were probably like 3 guys around. The one kid in the long sleeve shirt, he had the door. I don't know when he got here, but he might be a witness.
Okay.
And I got.
You're okay. Just take a deep breath, sweetie. You're okay. Take your time. Would you feel more comfortable sitting? We can sit over on this brick wall over here.
The male tried to bite one of the officers and kept escalating the situation.
Hey! Stop that shit!
He's trying to bite me.
You stupid man.
Stop now! Stop now! Stop now! Knock it off!
Bitch ass nigga. Shoot me. Shoot me, nigga.
No, we are not doing that!
Do that shit.
Do not undo your seatbelt!
I'm gonna nigga. I'm gonna you shoot me. Oh. I'm gonna do that, yo. You a what?
Foot! Your foot!
No. You. Oh no. No. Try that. Oh shit. Yeah, you try that.
Come on! Work with me! Don't grab my body cam!
Don't buy my body cam. Come here. You a oh God, you always been a
Stop kicking
oh
back in.
Push him.
no.
Are you pulling him out?
No.
No, I'm pushing
No.
him in. He's hooking his foot. Stay in there. Stay in. Stay in. Get in. Get in the car. Get your feet in.
What? Wisconsin.
Get your feet in.
White Castle. Probably back not gonna pass. Diamonds on my wrist, and you know that this fashion.
I lost my camera somewhere.
I got your camera, don't worry.
All right. Put your foot back in.
And then after that, he was just like standing there against the wall of the other 2 elevators, just chilling. He had calmed down at that point. There were, I'm thinking, 2 RAs or an RA and a friend who were keeping tabs on him. I know multiple people called 911. That's when I met him. I was running to leave. Not necessarily, but they had kind of contained him. Okay. And I went to the first person I saw and I went, you call 911 right now. Because my hands were shaky, and then I was able to call. But he was standing at the door, the gentleman over there with the long sleeve. He was standing at the door, and we were just kind of at like a standstill point where he was against the wall.
Deep breath, sweetie. You're okay.
Where he was against the wall, and there were like 2 RAs, a guy, him, and me. I was just standing in those 2 spaces with the window to essentially make sure that like if I needed to get out, I could get out, but also while having a view, and I made sure I took some pictures.
Get your hand off my stuff.
I don't mean get in the back with him.
Get off. Release your hand. Stop. You're gonna get hurt, man. Put your feet in. Get into the car.
This.
Get in.
I got his arms hooked up top here.
Alright, let me get his legs in. Get that door ready.
On it.
Was there anybody else present?
There was another guy in the elevator, yeah. I don't know who he was, but he walked out once he got like physical with me.
Okay, so he wasn't friends with him or anything like that?
No, he was.
He was friends with him.
They were together. They were making jokes in the elevator.
Okay.
But then once he started to get physical with me, the other guy left. I don't know, and I don't know either of them.
Why did they punch
Do you want to have fire come check out your face?
No,
Are you
I'm
sure?
fine. Yes, I'm okay.
sometimes you might want to do it if you have any teeth damage or anything. Right now, when you have adrenaline pumping through your veins, a lot of the injuries that you're feeling may not manifest themselves till tomorrow.
While being transported to the jail, the male started rapping.
Go back. Turn around. Spin around. Turn around. Look. Left. Look. Hold on. I got that rook. Devin Booker on the James. Hold on. They say that I'm where does LeBron James, Michael Jordan, and to be fair, I put your bitch in the hair. And you know I got the stairs. And you know this shit is rare. And you know I never care. And you know, hold on. And you know I can care. Hold on. Go back. Spit around track. Bad or black. Hey. And you know we that. Hey. Skittle da da da. I fuck on your put on your back and I da da da. Bitch. Corvette. Hop in the jet like that.
Before we even try to get around, I'm gonna hurt.
This shit I don't like. A snitch. That's the shit I don't like. I put my hands up to play my song.
Well, I thought you wanted that witness statement. So that's what I was saying. Like
No,
that.
he told me that we were going to So, we're riding with who at this point? Who's all going?
No, we're probably not.
Just these two. I think they were maybe her.
She was the victim. She's her roommate. She wasn't involved. These two physically saw it. She's the RA who contacted the community coordinator and got the suspect's verified card. I don't think she did. And then this gentleman with the long sleeve shirt saw stuff as well. I think he attempted to intervene as well. I have not had a chance to talk to her.
All right, real quick, guys. What did you guys?
Wait.
Well, never mind. We can't discuss that. Did you guys see an assault?
He saw.
You saw the assault. You did? Did you?
I didn't say. I just came after the after he was here to the restroom.
Are you willing to sign a witness statement? What you saw?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. We don't need you for anything. Did you see an assault?
I just saw him breaking it up at the end.
Okay, so you didn't see the
No,
start.
not the girls.
Okay, I don't think we'll need anything.
Either. I just was there
just
to
showed
help
up at the
Okay,
separate.
I don't think we'll need your guys. You three, we probably won't. If you saw the original altercation, we'll probably just need a witness statement from you. If you're good with that.
The guy that left the elevator out of the two guys, the guy that left, this might be his phone.
Okay. Thanks. Well, hold on.
In fact, I think it is because I think I walked in and I said, I remember this now. I walked in and I said, hey, your phone's down there, and that's when he left, and then that's when like the fighting began.
Awesome. We'll hold on to his phone then. Perfect. And if he calls for it, we'll come talk. We'll have him talk to us too.
I think just him.
I'm in love with the emo girl. I'm in love with the emo girl. Swirl around in the bushes. Oh, and you know we're doing cushions. Smoking on our joint. Vado mushing. Hey, I cut the on my rookin'. Oh. Hold on. Put me back in that spring. Hold on. That beat, you know, keep on replaying. I do not stop. But when I stop, do the waiting. Don't do no baiting. Every day I swear I make it. Pull them in trading. Hold on. I ball hard like man. Pull up on your back and not standing. Handy. That was on my wrist and you know it. Fanny. I got flow though. Pull up on your back, you know I got the rose though. And you know I just for the favorite hoe though. Fight your hoe out loud. I tried. That was on me, you know that spot. Videos. Look at the bad bitch in the ears. Pull up on your back and that's the gravies.
And I didn't ask you. I know you got hit. Did you want to see an ambulance or have an ambulance come check you out? Did you want to go to the hospital at all?
I think I'm okay. I just need some water.
Okay. When we get back to the station, I know we have bottles somewhere. I'm going to be this car over here on the street. Yep.
Will be the only time I ever do it.
Hopefully. At least it's under good terms. You're welcome to put on your seatbelt. We have this here, and it'll plug in right there. Yeah, there you go. Good.
What'd you use? Huh? What have you been using? What have you been using?
What'd you take?
What'd you take?
I had no idea how to open that.
I totally forgot. They have no lock because it's like a car.
Feel like the Grateful Dead.
Now, what this is, you come on.
Can you come with me?
Sure, absolutely. Now, what this is it's your statement of what happened.
Okay.
So it does not have to be, when I woke up this morning, I wasn't feeling too good, and then I got up and went down. You know what I mean? Really, it's about what happened here tonight. Like, when I got on the elevator, I saw him, and he said this, I said that. And it doesn't have to be